Hi everyone, and welcome to another Creative Einstein video. In this clip we're going to be looking at interest. Now interest is the extra money you get for investing your money. There's two types of interest. There's simple interest, and this money is calculated on the original invested amount. And there's also compound interest, where the money is calculated every period on the cumulative amount. So you always get more money with compound interest than with simple interest. And I'll give you examples on how this works. So let's start with simple interest. My example is we're going to invest $1,000 at 10% simple interest for 3 years. So simple interest means that every year we will get $1,000 times 10% times 3 years. Well, 10% of 1,000 is 100 times 3 years will be $300. So at the end of those 3 years, you'll get $300 in interest, but you'll also get your $1,000 back. So end amount is going to be $1,300. Now with compound interest, it's a little bit different, and I'll show you why. The example again is $1,000 and it's invested at 10% for 3 years compounded yearly. That means in the end of year 1, you'll have $1,000, you've invested, $1,000. 10% of $1,000 is $100, which means that at the end of year 2, that money, the interest amount, is going to be calculated on the cumulative amount, which means the money that you've made already. So it's 1,100. So 10% of 1,100 is $110. So that's how much interest you get at the end of year 2. So at the end of year 3, the amount of interest is calculated on these two added together, which is $1,210. Now if we look at the interest on that, 10% of $1,210 is $121. Which means that at the end amount that we make is going to be 1,210 plus $121, which is $1,331. So you've made an extra $31 compared to the simple interest. Now if we actually look at the interest, simple interest, you make $300 in interest. Compound interest, you've made that much, which is $331 in interest. I hope that's been helpful for you. There will be another video called Compound Interest where we'll go through some examples and some shortcuts on how to work out compound interest. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.